Well, I'm finally getting a little break in the weather. It's been raining for several days, non-stop. Everything is, I wouldn't say it's drying out, but it just stopped raining about an hour ago. And tomorrow is actually the heavy day. We're supposed to get really bad thunderstorms tomorrow and the next day. So there's not a whole lot I can do right now. Take care of the animals, give everybody fresh hay and just kind of get ready for it. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about all the madness we have going on around the country and around the world. It's kind of getting out of hand. I know a lot of people are really concerned, and they should be. This coronavirus is a pretty serious thing, but a lot of the media hype isn't helping anything. It is contagious. I'm in the age group that it affects. I'm the us older people, as they say. It's not something that I'm going to worry about. I do my own thing. I try to keep enough food on hand that I could stay up here for several weeks anyway, which I firmly believe that no matter who you are, no matter what the circumstances are, that's what you should be doing anyway. You don't need to be in the habit of having to run to town every time you need something. You need to have some stuff on hand, but that's just my opinion. Everybody thinks different. But I don't get caught up in all the hype. I don't see why everyone needs 500 rolls of toilet paper. From what I understand about this virus, that's not one of the problems it causes. So I would be more concerned with food, non-perishable items, keep beans and rice and things like that. Stuff that you can make last a little while so you don't have to go be around everyone. Now, I'm not saying run out and, go buy up everything that you can fit in your car, but just use some common sense. I don't know, seems like every time there's a new bug out or a new something going on, everyone gets crazy, and this time it just gets worse every time. I've been getting a lot of emails and and a lot of people forwarding me links and different stuff to read. I don't think this is a big world takeover or anything like this. Just a new outbreak that the media has to they just have to blow it up. It has to go crazy. And yes, it's serious. I'm not trying to make light of it. I mean, it's a serious illness, but it's not the end of the world. Stay clean, stay healthy. Try to stay away from, as many people as you can for the next month or two. And things are going to warm up around here, and it's going to start kind of turning around, die down a little bit. Like I said, I'm not trying to make light of it. There's a lot of people that has underlying health conditions that this is going to affect more than me. I try to live fairly healthy. I try to eat clean, but I'm not immune from it either. It could hit me just like the flu or a cold or anything else. So I just try to use my head and use precaution. Only go to town if I have to. I actually had to go this morning to pay for materials that's going to be delivered later on in the week to close the gable ends, which is good news. This weekend it's not supposed to be raining, and I'm supposed to have a boom lift here. Actually got to go get it. They don't have a big one, so I'm just going to get one of the tow behinds, but hey, that'll work too, as long as it'll get me up there and I can start getting some work done. But yeah, just try to distance yourself from anyone that you don't have to. Take care of your family and watch out, be careful, and hopefully this will all pass pretty soon. It's not too bad in my area. I'm here in the Ozarks in Arkansas, but it's coming. It starts in the big cities. It moves its way out and spreads its way across the country. There's a lot of other countries that's hit a lot harder than us, but we're just kind of lagging behind. The only issue that I've really run into so far, I can't find a CPA. This is my first full year in Arkansas as an Arkansas resident, and no one's taking any new clients right now. I can go to H&R Block or somebody. I'd rather not do that. I have not had a good experience with them before. Not necessarily H&R Block themselves, but any of the big chain stores, or the chain tax consultants, or whatever you want to call them. I would rather use an independent CPA, and right now I'm having a hard time finding one. No one's taking anybody new. So that was a new one. I didn't expect that, but it's just another hiccup. I have plenty of food. I have plenty of medicine for your common things, which I don't take much anyway, but alcohol, peroxide, and standard things that, that someone that's prepared for whatever has around the house. So that's it. I didn't want to rant. I just wanted to let everybody know that I'm thinking about them. All my subscribers I have subscribers from all over the world, which really blows me away. I get comments and emails and stuff from people all over the globe. So just want to know that all you guys are in my thoughts and prayers. I hope everyone is safe. Nobody is sick from this thing, and I hope all your family's doing well, and that everybody comes out okay. In the end, this is going to affect a lot of people. We're probably all going to know someone that has been severely impacted by it, and I just hope everybody comes out on top. So that's it. I'm going to go see if I can be productive before the rain comes back. I've got to put a battery back in my fence charger for the pigs. It's been raining for weeks, hardly any real sunshine, and solar charger just couldn't keep up. And I don't think the battery has even been in the charger for over a week now. I took it off to charge it, and it's been raining. I just forgot to put it back on there, which I'll probably go ahead and do a video on that right quick too, about keeping pigs in an electric fence. I had a lot of people tell me that it would never work, and I'd be chasing pigs all around the mountains, and so far so good. Never had an issue. That's it, guys. I hope everybody's safe. Everybody's in my thoughts and prayers, and I guess I'll catch you on the next one.